Okay, so today, guys, we are going down into gold and want to see what is happening in the market. So, currently, yesterday I said gold was going to be bullish, and right as I said it, gold has been bullish to these levels. I said it was coming for this zone right here, and we can see that gold has been bullish, trying to take out this zone. So, we should still see more bullish momentum from gold, or maybe little retracement today. So we should still see more bullish momentum from gold. So what we can what we can hope to do for gold is to look for entries along our trend line, to look for entries on the trend line bounce, and if the trend line is broken and there is a change in character, which means there is a break of structure to the downside, then we can look to go for the sell. We can look to go for the sell. So right now, this is what I'm seeing, and this is how gold is going. I check my feed to see the levels, and so yeah, gold hasn't reached 27% on my 1 hour. So I'll go down to my 30 minutes to see how far gold is. Still hasn't reached 27%. Okay, if I push the fib a little further, we see that it has clearly reached 27% and it's coming back to the trend line at 0%. So most likely we will be having a trend line bounce around here, and this trend line bounce might be taking it up to 61% on the 30 minutes. Might be taking up to 61%, which most probably will take it up to that zone over here. And if you check the 1 hour fib, you can see that the market hasn't clearly hit the 27%, and if everything being equal, should hit the 27% and most probably go up to 61.8. So looking at what the price is doing and looking at the bullish momentum, I'm most likely going to see a retracement to these levels. Most likely going to see a retracement to these levels over here. A retracement to these levels over here. Then, if a retracement to these levels over here, and if there will be any break of structure to the downside, which we need to look at clearly, there will be any break of structure to the downside, then it has to be clearly this zone that really shows the break of structure to the downside. Once market breaks that zone to the downside, then most likely we'll be looking at a retest of this area, maybe for a downward movement, to close down this imbalance over here or something. Then most likely, but what I see now is the buy all through to that zone. That zone needs to be mitigated. That zone needs to be reached. That zone needs to be reached for it to really complete whatever it's doing. So I see gold moving up to this zone, and if everything being equal, let's go down to the 15 minutes. So, is there a break of structure here? Is there a break of structure here? Yeah. So on the 15 minutes, I'm looking for a retracement from here to around 38%, where we have our trend line. So we are looking for it around 38%. I'm looking for the market to drop to around 38%, and here. So we're looking for the market to drop to around 38%, filling up this imbalance around here, or to even the 50% before we take a move up. So from the 38%, you can most likely look for a buy. So you can most likely look for a buy from that position. You can most likely look for a buy from this position around here to this place, and we'll put our, our stop loss just right below this zone around here. So yeah, a good 2 to 1 risk to reward on this trade for a buy, which I'm expecting on gold. So that clearly indicates what I am seeing in gold, and I hope and believe that that's what's going to happen for gold this morning, October 10th. And please like, please subscribe, please appreciate, please comment. If there's something I'm missing, if there's something that you need me to do, please like, subscribe. It really helps me grow, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.